wala masyado nakakashoot. At kahit 2 beses nga may na-Joey Boy, but we also got a couple of dunks. The imports exchanging some slams in the second.
You know, the PBA is an elite playground. The teams can really fight back. But the question is, after your opponent fights back, do you still have enough energy and enough firepower to complete the feat by going for it? Was really lording it over offensively and give him space from the outside. He's just a willing shooter from deep. 35 big points, 21 rebounds.
His boys to settle down and focus on D. JB, hindi mo na mapipigilan yun.
But quiet ones. Ball to the blur. Pugoy naman sa kanto. That's a 3. But 35 points, 14 rebounds, 2 assists, 1 steal, and 4 blocks. Optana helping out with a double-double of 20 points and 12 boards.
And now from Phoenix, Shackleford coming off the bench and throwing area yung tama niya. Let's see if he'll be able to stay in this match. They might have to give up a foul para palabasin lang siya. What a power move coming from Marvin Jones! Kanina nagpintis itong si Jansen Rios nung napasahan siya na maganda. But first, this big time block. Pinapakita sa atin ni Cancino na hindi lang opensa yung kaya niyang.
In the meantime, here's that pivot by Chapman earlier. And yet this from CJ Perez.
You don't want to be
Ito.
Ito, good anticipation by De La Rosa. CJ Perez, I love how he did not give up. De La Rosa, he kept De La Rosa busy na hindi niya mapasa dun sa likod.
At si De La Rosa, nag-iisip din, sungkitang ko yan ng foul to. Pag foul, tataas ko.
Pero titignan nila yung hawak ng kaliwang kamay nitong si
He did that against Ginebra, you know.
Yes. Parang import din kasi yung laro, di ba?
As well. You know, San Miguel, so close. Si June Marco minsan, na para siya si Manny Pacquiao. Sana walang masaktan.
Oo.
Finding him.
Doon sa pick and roll, alam niyang gumalaw eh.
Oo. Sa gitna ba yun ng paa ni Junmar?
Tila ata eh.
Sometimes, hindi na natin pwede i-explica eh. Because every game, I see something different. You know, at the...
Dumadami na rin na rebound niya dito. And meron na rin assist. Ay, on cue.
Tama naman, traveling na yun. Ayun, meron pang ano. Tama ka rin, ang tingin ko traveling.
Of Justin Brownlee. And before magka-free throw si Pinto, meron muna tayong timeout natin sa atin ang Soler Online. Crashing hard on that right knee.
Kasi hinila yung ano eh, sa, ayun, no? Sa ankle yata hinila. Tama rin naman yung ginawa niya, you know, he's just scrambling for...
Going up against sa Barrientos.
Iniwanan niya eh.
At saka may shield din eh.
Remind you of the John Soler. I beg to differ.
Parang mayroon na kanina siya, di ba? Yung kana naman.
Might have been the same angle he tweaked earlier.
By the way, he's got really huge hands.
Precisely, it's like a baseball mitt.
Yeah.
Transition take foul.
So it's a stymied. They go to David, not there, and there you go. That's what we need. As ball.
One-handed slam dunk. Who can stop him?
These are the toughest calls to make, you know, among the toughest calls. There you go.
That's very clear.
Yeah, on that angle.
Yeah.
I think that there's no...
Ang challenge po ng TNT 5G is not successful po.
Doon, narinig na natin yung tinig ng ating referee.
Yeah, Dave Maligaya, the new guy.
Hindi na lang.
Point lead. Bull wants to change that. There's that hang in the air for the basket, they say. There's the foul right there.
Akala ko, he was looking to pass.
Si foul tatawag kay Hanmisi.
Nakaplanta na ba siya?
Oo, tsaka wala naman talagang exaggerated extension of the elbow. So tignan natin yun.
This one.
Nangyari. Naiwanan ng depensa ni Gio Chu on the help side stance was this guy. Ayun!
Tumalbog eh. And it was...
Jalen Johnson. Matagal na natin di nakikita yung Pilita Corrales finish na yun. Look at this move by Jim Bravo. He had to take it on the other side.
Oh,
Or scoring, particularly Adrian Ocon, the #1 scorer in the team with
On cue.
16.1 points per ball game. And in the 6th game,
kaya nabukas yung lane eh. Because you see Upshaw picking up Dickey at the 3-point line. Dickey's only taken 3 3-point attempts all tournament long.
Tyler D. I like Tyler D. Really.
Una fouls out of this one. As going to Bolling. Here it comes. Back to LJ. LJ Gonzalez wins it for Athletics.
Oh, goodness gracious. Look at the guys.
Bolling with the extra pass. Nung hinabol siya ng depensa. What a play! Akala ko dito, hindi pala.
Dalawang San Beda boys to. Pero
Magkaibang generasyon naman.
just a waiting LJ Gonzalez looking at Berto Bolling and Fam.
We called it. Ball in the hands of Bolling. He will make the right decision.
Yeah, for sure. You know, whether to shoot, whether to pass. It was a pass. Wide open naman. Yung kanyang pinagbigyan ng bola na
Foul. Yeah.
sick eh.
Naka-4.
exaggerate also the foul that was called against his opponent. And it's just inadvertent na tinamaan.
Mahirap din kasi yung sitwasyon, no? Because you go so low tapos aatrasan mo yung legs nitong si
Hindi
Bol.
haka si Bol eh. Ayan, pati siya nagulat eh. Parang feeling niya dirt.
1.6 na lang yung shot clock.
Talagang nagkabuhol itong si Balanza, pati si Kelly Williams. So fresh 14 ang mangyayari rito. Tingnan. Watching him live. Dahil sa dami ng kanyang ginagawa sa loob ng partiya. Almost another rebound. And he completes it.
Playing too tight, doing too much na lihis na sa sistema and their individual flow of the game. He wants his team to take a look at the fourth quarter output of their last.
Being at the right place and at the right time.
Umali, mananagasa sa ilalim. Mintis yung tira. Offensive rebound para kay Gio Chu. He has been a presence. Rebounding the basketball. 4-point shot para Ayaw. A hop rebound. Hook shot. Mintis na naman para kay Umali. RJ, nahanap itong si Scotty. Hindi mo nabibitaw. Thompson with 9 to work with on the spin. Ganda ng galaw mula kay Scotty.
Oh, very difficult.